Gattu becomes Netaji. Gattu Chinky were in the school. Mishra sir went out of the class for some work. Taking advantage of this, the whole class was having fun. Then the peon came with a notice book in his hand.
Hey kids, calm down. Where is Mishra sir?
He has gone out. That is why we are having fun. Hey, dance, guys!
The children started having fun again. And the peon fell into thinking.
Mishra sir is not here. What should I do with this notice?
Then an idea came into his mind.
Hey kids, calm down. Tell me, who is your Netaji?
Gattu!
When the children started shouting Gattu's name, the peon said,
Come Netaji. The notice is for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birth anniversary. Read it for the class.
Gattu came in front and started reading the notice book. That is when Mishra sir came and saw Gattu standing in front and asked, Brother Hari, are you teaching the kids?
Oh no sir. Tomorrow is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birth anniversary. Here is the notice. And you are not in the class, so I asked the children, who is your leader? The children said Gattu. Hence Gattu is reading it.
If this is the case, then start Netaji. And Gattu started reading.
Tomorrow, 23rd of January, on the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, all the children will enter the ground to greet them at 7 in the morning.
After reading, Gattu even signed his signature on the notice book. So the peon got happy.
Yes Netaji, that's more like it.
The peon went away after saying this. But Mishra sir was looking at Gattu and thinking something. Tomorrow is Netaji's birth anniversary, and this Gattu also acts like a leader for the kids. Tomorrow if Gattu is presented as Netaji at the greeting ceremony, and Chinky is, oh, then there will be 4 moons in the greeting ceremony. Mishra sir was very happy and said to Gattu Chinky, Gattu Chinky, you both come with me to the headmaster's cabin. It was the morning on 23rd January. All the children reached the school to greet Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Children, today January 23rd is the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Netaji, who wrote like this, continued to fight the Britishers for freedom till the last drop of his blood. Today we are able to breathe in freedom India due to the great revolutionaries like Netaji. I request our headmaster Pandey to worship the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. All the students and teachers stood up. The headmaster Pandey offered the idol of Netaji with necklace of flowers and greeted them. Everybody started to clap and then starting down. Then Mishra sir said, Don't sit. Everyone keep standing. Because now Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose himself is coming in front of you with his army. Hearing this, all the attendees were stunned and started looking around. Then the bugle and band started playing. When the attendants looked back, Gattu was coming dressed as Netaji. Chinky right behind Gattu. And the rest of the kids were coming in the army attire. The band was at the back. Seeing this unique entry of Netaji, all attendees started to applaud. Gattu and the army came in front and stopped. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is present among us, although Gattu is playing the role of Netaji. But Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose lives in the heart of every Indian. Therefore, we have to call Gattu as Netaji too. Today, no chief guest will come and there will be no long lecture. Today, your Netaji himself will meet you face to face. I request Netaji to address you all. Gattu dressed as Netaji came in front of Mike and then Gattu said,
My dear countrymen, I am your Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Kissing this soil, I bow to all of you. You are fortunate that all of you are citizens of independent India. To achieve this freedom, along with me, many people have sacrificed their lives, and then we got the independence. Now that we have the freedom, remember that this inheritance should be safely presented in the hands of future generations. No one should take it away and push you into the deep abyss of slavery. That is why every one of you has to become very responsible. Therefore, establish unity and righteousness in our soil and brighten the name of the country. Jai Hind!
Hearing this, all the attendants started clapping. It was a raining applause for 2 minutes. When the thrust of the applause decreased, Mishra sir said, "You have just heard Netaji. I hope you have understood Netaji too, and must have decided to follow the path shown by them. With this hope, today's ceremony ends. Jai Hind!" As soon as the ceremony was over, all the attendees started praising Mishra sir and Gattu Chinky along with their classmates. Started taking selfies with Gattu Chinky. Thus, the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose became truly successful in Gattu Chinky's school.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें